So can you tell me your name, please?
My name is Masahiro Shoji.
Okay, good. What do you do for a living?
A job?
Yes.
I work in logistics company.
That's good. And where do you live?
I live in Shizuoka.
That's good. Okay. And when did you arrive Tokyo?
Yesterday.
Yesterday.
Yeah.
That's good. So where are you staying in Tokyo?
Where? In Shibuya.
In Shibuya. Okay, that's very, very good. Okay. And can you tell me your hobbies?
My hobby is sports, watching and playing. Yeah.
Very good. And why do you study English?
I like to study English, and I have foreign friends. I want to speak him.
Okay, him.
Speak with him.
Okay, very, very good. That's good.